Hey, what's up everyone? If you're running an online store with WooCommerce, you're going to want to pay attention to this one. Today, I'm showing you how to connect WooCommerce to ActiveCampaign, which is going to take your e-commerce game to the next level. First things first, let's get the ActiveCampaign plugin installed on your WordPress site. So you want to head over to your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins and search for ActiveCampaign for WooCommerce. Go. Once you found it, go ahead and click Install Now. And then click on Activate. All right, so now you need to connect your ActiveCampaign account. And you'll need your API key for this, which you can grab from the settings menu in ActiveCampaign. All right, great. So now that everything's connected, let's explore what you can do. You can now track their purchase history, segment them based on buying behavior. For example, you can create an automation that triggers a follow-up email or a thank you note every time a customer makes a purchase. This is a great way to engage your customers and keep them coming back. Also, remember, before you go live, it's important to test the integration to make sure everything works smoothly. Make a test purchase on your WooCommerce store and check if the corresponding automation triggers in ActiveCampaign. So if everything's working as expected, you're all set. Your WooCommerce store is now fully integrated with ActiveCampaign, ready to help you scale your e-commerce business. If you haven't tried ActiveCampaign yet, then there's a free trial waiting for you. Just click the link in the description. This setup is going to make your life so much easier and your marketing so much more effective. I'll see you in the next one.